Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new digital voice recorder. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, so let's go and take a look at it. So if you attend like conferences or maybe like a student, definitely want to have one of these. So it's got 16 gigs built in, and then it's got a 64 gigabyte SD card. Start with the accessories. Type-C charger. Got some headphones. Auxiliary. Your user manual. And then the actual voice recorder. Look at that LCD display on there. That should look really good. So I'll show you some of the features on here. So right here on the side, you got your on and off, your menu, and your delete. And then right here is where it has the micro SD card, the charger, and then a way for you to reset it. And then, like I said, this should be 64 gigs. Yep, there it is. That'll be easy for you to transfer the information from there. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, very cool. So music, just record. Settings. So with the provided storage, you'll be able to store up to 3,500 hours worth of recording. So that's quite a bit. Like I said, even then you can still install a larger micro SD card onto here as well. So if you need more than that, like I said, that's still an option through here. On a single full charge, it'll record up to 125 hours on that battery. And then it'll only take an hour and a half to get it right back up to full again. So charges very quickly through that Type-C port. Right now we'll test it out, but the sound quality should be really good with these two microphones up here. It does have noise cancellation technology on them, and it'll even record from up to 60 feet away. So like I said, class or conferences or anything like that, this would be really, really good to record all that with. And what's also cool is if you go to your settings, there is a password feature. So you can set a 4-digit passcode to whatever you like. So that way, if you have like certain recordings that you don't want people getting into, just set that code and then you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and actually record on it. So all you have to do is hit that button right here. And as you can see, it starts to record. It's picking up the sound as we speak. And then as soon as I'm done here, we'll actually play it so you guys can hear how it actually records. Like I said, all you need to do to transfer this to your computer is either have that micro SD card slot, or maybe you have like an adapter, or you could just use the provided Type-C to USB. So let's go ahead and hear how this sounds. Once you hit stop, it says saved. So let's go ahead and hit play. That button right there. As you can see, it starts to record. It's picking up the sound as we speak. And then as soon as I'm done here, we'll actually play it so you guys can hear how it actually records. Like I said, all you need to do to transfer this to your computer is either have that micro SD card slot, or maybe you have like an adapter, or you can just use the provided Type-C to USB. That's cool. And it sounds really good too. So like I said, super cool if you need this for like a meeting, an interview, or like I said, you're not trying to take all these notes. You can just hit that record button and let this do the work for you. So if you guys are looking for a new voice recorder, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.